Hey guys, welcome back to Milestech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be directing you on how to set up HA Tunnel Plus in all countries. So, you're going to first open our Google Play Store and download our HA Tunnel Plus application. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. This is the VPN application I was talking about, HA Tunnel Plus. We're going to open this VPN application and we'll see how we are going to be setting it. So you are free to join their Telegram channel or no, but it requires us to restart the application. So I request you guys to join their Telegram channel to keep in touch with the new updates. So for me, I'm going to press later for a moment, and then I'm going to press OK. I understand, and then I'm going to press OK right here. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. The VPN application will be looking like this initially. So what we are going to do is very simple. To set up the HA Tunnel Plus application, we all need only one thing. We are going to come right here where we have the custom setup, and then we enable that. After enabling the custom setup, we are going to come where we have the direct connection. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. So I'm going to click this direct connection, and then I'm going to come. I'm going to be coming right here where we have the Custom SNI. So I'm going to enable the use realm host and the preserve SNI, and I'm going to click save. I'm going to enable that one. I'm going to come right here where we have the host. For the host, I'm going to use a specific host from a specific country, but if you are from a different country, you can comment down there in the description, comment your country, and you are going to comment your network, and our team of moderators, administrators, and fellow members on this YouTube channel are going to be replying you with your host. For example, me, in the first 2 months of this video, I'm going to be available replying and everyone who comments in the first 2 months of this video with a host. But for the other months, you guys are going to be finding the host in the description. You can check your fellow friend's comment, and you can also drop a host of your country. But if you want to just get an SNI host directly from our website, just go down there in the YouTube video description, this video description, and then check out for a video down at the bottom of this video description. You will see a video on how to find a working SNI host from Milestech. So I'm going to be putting in the SNI host will be 104. If you don't have this host, just comment down there in the description. This is from a specific country, but if you want for your country, just go there in the description. I'm available. I'm going to be replying you with the host, and then you're going to be pressing start, and you're going to enable the VPN service. You're going to wait for a few moments to see whether this host is working. If it doesn't work, we have a list of hosts. We have a lot of hosts from different countries. Sorry. Let us wait for a few moments for the advert. Let us not preserve the SNI. We're not going to be preserving the SNI if we want it to work. So it has connected successfully, and we are chilling on our HA Tunnel Plus application. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. I remain Milestech. If you want a working SNI host for your country, the comment section is open just for you. I'm going to be replying all of you guys who are on this channel page. Thank you guys for following. I sign out.